Best Practices for WorldPay Direct Integration is a comprehensive guide that helps businesses securely and efficiently process online payments. To begin, ensure you have a WorldPay account and the necessary API credentials to initiate the integration process. First, understand the payment flow, which involves redirecting the customer to the WorldPay payment page, processing the payment, and then redirecting the customer back to your website. It is essential to handle this flow securely to prevent any potential security breaches. Next, implement secure data storage and transmission by using HTTPS protocol for all payment-related communications. This ensures that sensitive customer data is encrypted and protected from unauthorized access. To enhance security, use WorldPay's tokenization feature, which replaces sensitive card data with a unique token. This token can be used for future transactions without having to store the actual card details. When handling customer payments, provide a seamless user experience by customizing the payment page to match your website's branding. This helps to build trust and reduce card abandonment rates. Additionally, implement error handling and logging mechanisms to track and resolve any payment processing issues. This enables you to quickly identify and fix problems, minimizing the impact on your customers and your business. It is also crucial to comply with payment card industry data security standards by adhering to WorldPay's security guidelines and regularly updating your integration to ensure you have the latest security patches. Finally, thoroughly test your WorldPay direct integration before going live to ensure that all payment scenarios are handled correctly and securely. This includes testing different payment methods, handling errors, and verifying that customer data is stored and transmitted securely. By following these best practices, you can ensure a secure and efficient WorldPay direct integration that provides a seamless payment experience for your customers and helps to build trust in your brand.